What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and let me talk to you about my very first headlight build of 2022. This was commissioned on January 1st, pretty much, and here we are delivering it on February 1st. This is for Trevor's 2010 Dodge Challenger. Trevor knew it was up and gave me some freedom of design on this one, so of course I came up with something absolutely gorgeous. It's clean, it's classy, it's sophisticated, but it also screams performance and custom, which is right up my alley. For obvious starters, we are running the Morimoto MD2S Projector Retrofit assembly up in this mofo. So it is going to be a 50-watt HID system. Those projectors do have a honeycomb lens etching on them, so they do look really cool, and that is complemented by the High Lens 2.0, which is in the original turn signal location over there. So this is technically a quad retrofit. It should be noted that those high lens are mounted to a static reflector bowl, so they cannot be aimed or adjusted, so they are a supplementary high beam only. We have a full interior gloss black paint job. There's some little trimmed out goodies in there to make sure that it all looks real nice. But of course, the big visual element that we've done here is added these massive Switchback Halo rings. Now with these things powered on, you can tell that they are extremely bright, but they give such a beautiful, modern, clean, sophisticated look to what is otherwise a very angry, aggressive, modern muscle car. The halos also play very nicely off of the honeycomb lens etching, as well as that honeycomb styling of that high lens. So it just all around looks really, really clean and pretty. So again, these are Switchback Halos, so now you can see them in their switchback operation, so blinking as the turn signal. Since again, we have removed the turn signal from that other location, we need to, of course, have a turn signal present, and this is a very beautiful way to do it. Something that would make any modern Challenger owner quite jealous, I am sure. Going back to the headlight output that is now fired on, it is a very bright, very controlled beam pattern, which is exactly what we would want out of a high-performance HID system. The high lens is tied into the high beam internally, so anytime you click on the high beam, the solenoid for the MD2S will drop and the high lens will come on, giving you a supplemental high beam output, which is super groovy. All in all, not a particularly difficult build. However, of course, the devil is always in the details, and the details on this definitely made it something to behold. This is for Project Hellkitty, so I'm super excited to get these on the vehicle and see exactly how much they complement this vehicle. We've got some other goodies in store with some DRLs and some fog light assemblies, but right now the headlight build is our, of course, prime attraction. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description. Every build is custom made to order, so that is purely for reference. All build inquiries should be directed to me via the form on my website. That link and information will all be in the video description. I hope you enjoyed looking at this absolute beautiful wonder of a build that I have completed, and I'm kicking off this year strong, and I'm really excited for what's coming up. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day. I shall talk to you later. See ya.